What's up YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy FlyJV. Okay, I literally just got back home now. I was running a few errands. My last flight is done. It's now the start of my vacation. Okay, my birthday's in a few days. And I'm gonna be flying back to Montreal in Canada to enjoy my time off. For those of you who don't know me, my name is FlyJV. Okay, I'm an Airbus A320 first officer. Today I'm not flying. I'm actually flying, but as a passenger. So that's what's gonna be different today. This is vacations as an airline pilot. Enjoy the video. I'm leaving in about 6 hours. Right now it is 2:45 p.m. okay, I'm getting picked up at 8:15 p.m. and we're going to be driving to the airport, getting to the Airbus A330 to fly to Paris, okay, Charles de Gaulle Airport. And from there, I will be taking Air Canada to Chicago O'Hare. And from Chicago O'Hare, I'll be flying to Montreal, Canada. Now, this is an Air Canada flight, which will be operated by United Airlines. So, it's basically going to be United Airlines flight. That's going to be pretty interesting because I've never taken United Airlines in my life. So, that's going to be a pretty interesting adventure for me and for you. So, I'm definitely excited to show you guys all of this. FlyJV forever. Let's get into it, man. What's up YouTube? Just outside the Finger right now. Passengers are boarding. The flight crew is preparing their flight right now. They're preparing the MCDU, cockpit preparation, everything. The external walk around has been done. The cabin crew are doing their security checks before they can let the passengers in. And me right now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm just chilling. I'm just enjoying this time to just, you know, be a passenger. A VIP passenger though, because I'm inside the aircraft before everybody else, but that's pretty much what it is. It's gonna be a 5-hour and 30 minutes flight to Paris. Gonna chill, watch some movies, and enjoy. For those of you who wonder what a GPU looks like, this is a GPU right here. It's actually connected to the Finger. Bus going around. It's actually connected to the Finger, and it plugs directly into the aircraft, and then the flight crew, when they're done, can just, after they've started the APU, of course, disconnect it and let the ground handlers just like take it off, and they can go on their own and do their thing. That's the pushback right here. It'll connect soon into the nose wheel of the aircraft over here. And that's what it is. So yeah, we're actually about 45 minutes away from taking off. So yeah, still waiting for the passengers to board. It's taking a long time. I got a bunch of people walking up and down these steps. I feel like I need to move out the way, but the shot is just too nice from here. Yeah. So yeah, a lot of you guys have never been to Blaise Diagne International Airport in Senegal, but this is what it looks like. This right here is the VIP lounge. Bonsoir. And this right here, you got the Finger. This is where the passengers come through to here. And this is where they're actually waiting right now. Sometimes you got the aircraft parked right over there. So that's pretty far. So when we actually have to go to these aircrafts, when it's not connected to the Finger directly, we come through here. So we go to the normal terminal, then come downstairs, we get into the bus, and then they actually like bring us over there. I'm gonna leave you guys. I'm gonna go inside, chill, relax. I'm actually pretty tired because I had a long day today. So yeah, I'll see you guys in Paris. Charles de Gaulle International Airport. Right now, Terminal 2A, Gate Alpha 40, and we depart in about 15 minutes. I actually had to come out of the airport, take my luggage, come back in, check in again because it's a whole different flight, obviously, because I was positioned by my own airline. But now I'm going with United to Chicago. It's going to be about a 9-hour flight, and then from Chicago, I'm flying to Montreal. And in Chicago, because of these times, COVID times, I'm going to have to take my luggage there and check back in again to go to Montreal. So it's a long process, but it is what it is. salad.
Where are you looking for?
Time to Chicago today is going to be 8 hours 23 minutes, and of course we're motivated to get there too, so we'll take short as we can as flight plan routing, and we are flight plans a little bit faster than normal, so welcome on board. We're glad to have you with us, and we'll be going shortly. Ice cream on here, can't complain. Man, I've literally been sleeping from takeoff till now, so just got woken up for the meal. 787 looking good, not gonna lie. What's up, guys? Reporting live from the bathroom. Been flying for about 4 hours now, so we're about not even halfway done, to be honest, but 5 more hours to go. So what you doing? You chilling at the statue? My man chilling at the statue? Yeah. Crazy, bro.
You need my love, but I need more dose. I need to run the world. I need it. You need my love, but I need more dose.
Please place baggage in the overhead bin and heavier items under the seat in front of you.
Veuillez ranger les bagages dans les coffres supérieurs et les bagages plus lourds sous le siège devant vous.
We back, bro, with my mans. Let's get it. Centelli Music in the building. Yes, sir. Yo, we back, bro. MTL.
Toronto. Let's go.
Man, that was a bro.
Montreal.
It was 9 hours flight from Paris to Chicago and 2 hours flight to here. You know what I want to eat, bro? Some poutine, bro. Bro, it's been 9 months. No gravy sauce, no cheese curds, bro.
I had one from AMW.
Bro, I need a poutine.
They coming with me tonight. We all in the mood tonight. Party, we lit it, we get in the mood tonight. They coming with me tonight. We all in the mood tonight. Party, we lit it, we get in the mood tonight. She kick it with me tonight. I got the Henny, the money, the honey, we got all we need tonight. Strike like team tonight, buy the crib tonight. She chill in the crib tonight. My nose they be running, my palms they be sweaty. J'ai fait pour la fête tonight. Flaque comme un blanco, un peu comme un fantôme, I'm in a rave.
Day 2, guys, day 2. I was too tired after getting home to vlog, but here we are right now. And my camera died anyway, so I'm with my boy right now. About to meet up with our other boy. We get in the car, about to go get some food. And yeah, man, I was running a few errands. We're at the Eden Center just now, shopping. My guy. Hein?
Bienvenue à Montréal.
Thanks, bro.
Vas-y. Moi, je sais pas.
On va voir, on va get quelque chose vite fait.
Derrière là, faut faire attention à toi.
Alright. Cool. Ça marche, génie. Ah, restaurant mode. Yo, cheers les boys. Yes sir. Boom. Merci beaucoup. Alright. Ketchup pour moi s'il te plaît. Yeah. Yo, bon appétit, hein? Enjoy your meal. You're out here.
Meilleur appétit.
Tu manges quoi toi?
The Boss.
Boss burger.
Double eggs.
Double eggs, you already know. Let's go, c'est double eggs aussi toi?
Non, one egg.
Alright. Let's get it. Boom. Got the bacon on deck. I'm in the house, bro. I'm in the house, bro. Yeah, ça tu fais quoi? Alright. Pull up demain pour le birthday ou quoi?
Allez-y avant que les gens ils arrivent là. Voilà, c'est bon.
Pierre.
Si.
Je t'inscris à la bosque.
À la bosque. À la bosque.
Il y a la bosque.
Il y a la bosque.
Lui, il a fracassé son gars.
MCG gang in the building, bro. What's good? Je suis focus. Yeah. Yo, coming to the JV Palace, bro. Coming to the JV Palace, you already know how it is. Take your shoes off, do my. Welcome.
On est là, c'est vrai, bon. On est là.
Bro, don't fall, bro.
Skate JV. It's a bird, it's a plane. No, it's fly JV.
Let's go.
Penthouse.
Je saurais que t'as chemise au fond.
On gaz là. Oh, les yeux.
Mais quoi, comment? Mais c'est.
C'est bon, on se reprend un nous quand même là, on arrive à ça.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Ça, c'est des bails de blanc.
When we got here,
En charisme, on a dit, bro.
That's dope.
Tiens-moi ça. Hey.
Demain, faut qu'on tire bien.
Comme tu l'as dit, c'est les stations qui comptent, pas le terminus.
For real, bro.
Get
It's
it.
gonna be fun, bro. Là, on va faire des featuring avec des gars comme JP, des gars comme Mickey, des gars comme Percy. And we're gonna be there.
Yes, sir, bro.
Kings among kings, man.
Kings among kings, bro. Like, c'est le mindset qui est là. Already know what it is. MCG in the building. MCG in the building. Sayo.
Party, we lit it, we get in the mood tonight. They coming with me tonight. We on the move tonight. Party, we lit it, we get in the mood tonight. She kick it with me tonight. I got the Henny, the money, the honey, we got all we need tonight. Strike like team tonight, pas de crib tonight. She chill in the crib tonight. My nose they be running, my palms they be sweaty. J'ai fait trop la fête tonight. Flacon de Lancôme, pas comme un fantôme, I'm in a rave. They tryna catch me, they wanna be me. I'm on the moon, I'm going ghost, yeah.